Welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines.
CCP polls on 4th April, informs Urban Development Minister to Assembly. Opposition fumes over hush up by the government in postponing polls. 2 out of 5 terms reserved for women. Aga se police crack Hassan Khan murder case within 4 days. Nabbed 4 Supari killers from Belgaum along with conspirator Robert Gonsalves and Raj Patel. Both were business colleagues of Hassan Khan. Karnataka's former Lokayukta Santosh Hegde's doubt comment on mining draws brunt of mining dependents and mine owners. Sardan too criticizes Hegde dependents to hit the streets of Jantar Mandir in Delhi on 16th April. Notification of bus fare hike to be issued by Tuesday. Scheme providing insurance cover to the bus drivers and conductors. 12 seats for women and bus pass subsidy for private buses. South Africa working on 10-year football master plan. Can India unitedly work on Rob Ban's master plan?
Now news in detail. CCP mayor's election is scheduled on April 4th. Urban Development Minister Francis D'Souza informed this to the House on Monday. Minister announced that 2 out of 5 terms of mayor will be reserved for women. Corporators will have to declare their assets as per Lokayukta Act. Meanwhile, the High Court has issued notice to the state government after hearing the petition filed by mayor candidate Surendra Furtado and 15 other councillors. Next hearing is scheduled on 3rd of April.
CCP mayor fiasco is on the verge of getting over. Ruling legislator Dr. Pramod Sawant raised calling attention on CCP's postponed mayor and deputy mayor election. Urban Development Minister Francis D'Souza made it clear that CCP poll would be held on 4th of April.
Mayor and the deputy mayor are proposed to be held on the 4th April 2013 and there is no cause for any anxiety.
Opposition MLA Babush Monserrat questioned why government was in hurry to postpone the CCP poll.
आज लुगून एकटांले चेंज करू ना आमचं लुगून मागीर सरकार येऊन लुगून हे चेंज करू ना तुमकां कसली इतली गाय जाली की रात्रीच्या वक्तार मुनीस तुम्ही धाडपाक म्युनिसिपालिटी फाल्यां इलेक्शन आहा म्हणून उबो रावन देरार उबो रावन बाबा म्युनिसिपालिटी कमिशनर देर उकोडसोर हे करपाक ती लेटर दिवपाक.
Minister said that poll was postponed following application from respected citizens to follow the legal procedures in the CCP election process. Vijay Sardesai demanded disclosure of names of these citizens.
Stopping a process of elections which has already begun contravenes directions of the Supreme Court. Supreme Court has held severally that election process once begun cannot be stopped in between. Respected citizens म्हणते कोणते?
एक सुकेरकर म्हणून आहा, एक कृष्ण सुकेरकर म्हणून आहा, एक दीपक म्हापशेकर म्हणून आहा.
Respected म्हणून कसलो तो? कोण तो respected म्हळ्यार? Is he a legal expert or something?
दोन्ही व्यक्ती आसा पळय त्यो व्यक्ती एक आसा काउन्सिलर दुसरो एक पणजेचो नागरीक आसा ऑनरेबल MLA वळखता दोगांकू मॅन्युफॅक्चर कोणे करूं ना they have pointed out point of the law and they have expressed opinion saying that this may result into illegality in the election commission सुद्धा जर बरोबर process follow जालो ना election थोड्या दिसा खातीर फुडें धुकलता.
Meanwhile, the High Court has issued notice to state government after hearing the petition filed by mayor candidate Surendra Furtado and 15 other councillors. Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni argued that election scheduled on 20th of March was against the Corporation Act.
The postponement of the election by the government was without any authority of law. Government has no powers to postpone the election, and that in terms of the provisions of CCP Act, election should have been held on the scheduled date. And government has postponed it with malafide intent.
Petitioner's advocate argued that since 2006, election of mayor and deputy mayor is being held on the very next day after expiry of sitting mayor's term. That should be considered the first day. The High Court granted time to Advocate General to file its detailed reply by next date of hearing and adjourned the hearing for 3rd of April. Bureau Prudent.
Hassan Khan murder case has been cracked by Agassiz police within 4 days. Police have nabbed 6 people in this connection. Accused include Hassan Khan's business partner Robert Gonsalves, who is a suspended mines officer and the alleged mastermind behind this murder. Cops say a contractor from Kalangut is also a part of this Supari killing deal. 4 Supari killers from Belgaum are nabbed. Kudos to Agasan police.
Hassan Khan, a young garage owner, was found murdered near Holy Cross, Bambolim on Thursday night. Police had suspected that the people who posed as customers to buy a four-wheeler from Khan must have killed him. This suspicion proved to be correct now. Akshay police have arrested 4 Supari killers from Belgaum. Police had earlier arrested one Robert Gonsalves, a dismissed officer from Mines Department, and one Raj alias Abhinandan Patel from Kalangut. Court has pronounced 7 days police custody to Robert Gonsalves and Raj Patel. Robert Gonsalves was partner of Hassan Khan in his construction business. Police have gathered information that Gonsalves used to pump in money accumulated through illegal mining deals in Khan's construction business. Gonsalves used to sell off flats owned by his partner Hassan Khan's company without his knowledge. This was the reason Gonsalves wanted to remove the thorn from the flesh. He directed his accomplice and contractor Raj Patel to find the Supari killer, to which Raj arranged a gang of 4 from Belgaum. Supari killers initially demanded 10 lakhs but settled to 5 lakhs. Thereafter 4 of them came to Goa and struck the deal by killing Hassan Khan. Police received information that another accused in Hassan Khan murder case, Anil Maruti Bhui, a youth of 24 years, was hiding in Kolhapur. Police flung into action and nabbed him too. Police also caught Anil Patil, Shivaji Patil and Arun Patil on the tip-off given by Anil Bhui. Police team reached Goa on Monday. Akshay police are applauded for their swift and efficient efforts in cracking Hassan Khan murder case within 4 days. Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent.
Goa Mining People's Front will take their battle to the national capital. Front will hold dharna at Jantar Mandir in New Delhi on 15th and 16th April, demanding immediate commencement of legal mining in Goa. Front temporarily suspended dharna at Azad Maidan on Monday. Front requested Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar to lead an all-party delegation to Delhi. They have also asked 40 MLAs to pass a resolution in this session supporting commencement of legal mining.
Goa Mining People Front has decided to hold dharna for 48 hours at Jantar Mandir in New Delhi. After 71 days of protest, Front temporarily suspended ongoing dharna at Azad Maidan in Panaji.
Goa Mining People Front जो धरणा धरलेलो आसा तो धरणा आमी आयज तात्पुरतो स्थगित करता. आमी केंद्र सरकार सुप्रीम कोर्ट हांकां नदरेक हाडून दिवंक सोदता की गोंयांत मायनिंग डिपेंडंट लोक आसात. ही मागणी घेवन आमी जंतर मंतराचेर 2 दिसाचो इंडेफिनाइट प्रोटेस्ट धरणा करपाचे आसात.
Front requested Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar to lead an all-party delegation to Delhi and also asked all 40 MLAs to pass a resolution in the Goa Assembly supporting commencement of legal mining in the state.
40 elected representative ani एक unanimous decision घेवचे गोयच्या असेंब्लीन की गोयचो मायनिंगेचो धंदो ताबडतोब चालू जावपाक जाय म्हणून.
Meanwhile, Goa Mining People Front, Congress MP Francisco Sardina and mine owner Harish Melwani criticized Karnataka Lokayutta Santosh Hegde for his derogatory remarks on mining dependence.
आमच्या गामा कष्टातल्यान जर हो मनीस दाऊद इब्राहिमाचे मनीस भाशेन आमकां ट्रीट करता जाल्यार आमी तेका सांगूंक सोदता की सभ्य समाजाक तुजी गरज ना, तू दाऊद इब्राहिमा बरोबर वच, ताज्यो केसी तू डिफेंड कर.
But in mining, people don't know which mining is illegal and illegal, which ore has been extracted which is legal or illegal. So let us not blame the public and let us not compare it to the other.
हांव हे म्हणना की इलिगल मायनिंग कंडोन करचे, मात्र ते तरी तांच्यांनी व्हेरीफाय केल्या शिवाय कशें ते पावल उबारतले. आनी नवीन सरकार आतां येयलात आनी ते कितें तरी करता ताजेर करून निदान अशें रिस्पॉन्सिबल मनीस जर अशें उलोवंक लागले दाऊद इब्राहिम कडेन आमचे कडेन हें करूंक लागले जाल्यार कितें उरलें मागीर मनीस डिस्करेज जातलो.
Reporter Mahesh Kadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.